आज का टॉपिक है टेंजेंट एंड नॉर्मल. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट दिस वन. Topic name is tangent and normal. Okay, so what is the tangent? I told you. Okay, previously I told you, if any curve is given, okay, let's say this is a curve, one curve is given, and if you are just taking a point over this curve, let's say P point you are taking, and you are drawing a line such that line is just touching to this point P. Okay, just touching. Okay, then this line is called tangent. Now curve equation will be something, let's say y is equal to fx is the curve equation. Okay, similarly you can take another point, then your tangent will be at q, let's say q point. Okay, at q point tangent will look like in this way. You can draw a tangent, correct or not? Okay, in this way means just touching at q, so this is called tangent. Similarly you did a tangent in circle. Okay, correct or not? In 9th 10th class you did, if a circle is there, then a line which is touching to a point of a circle is called tangent of the circle, correct or not? So this one at point q, let's say. Similarly any curve is there, then at a point a line is touching to that point, that line is called tangent to the curve. So another word is normal. What is the normal? If at the same point where you are saying at the point P tangent is there, at the same point if you are drawing a line such that line is perpendicular to the tangent, okay, so this line is called normal. So you can say in circle normal will be there, yes. At q if you are drawing a line such that which is perpendicular to this line, given line, let's say this is L line and this is M line, at P point both line are perpendicular, M is called normal to the line L. Line M is called what? Normal line. Okay, normal of what? Normal to the curve circle. Circle is here curve. Okay, it is clear. So what is the normal and tangent? I think so it is very clear. A line which is touching to a point to the curve is called tangent. At the same point a line which is perpendicular to the tangent is called normal. Okay, now what we are going to do here, we will find here, okay, we find here equation of tangent and normal. Tangent and normal. Okay, different curves will be given, and for that one we are going to find equation of tangent and normal, and some more thing over this one which is related to tangent and normal to a curve, okay, at a given point. Okay, this is clear to you all, I hope. Okay, so let's move on. Now one more thing I told you, that one more thing I told you, okay, one more thing I told you, that if a line is passing through 2 points, okay, let's say this is a point and this is B point. At x1 comma y1 a line is passing through 2 points A comma B. A coordinate is given x1 comma y1, B coordinate is given x2 comma y2. Okay, then slope of the line is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Okay, and this is equal to tan theta, and theta is what? Theta is the angle made by line with x-axis in anti-clockwise direction, in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now so theta is this one. So whenever I will say that what is the slope, then slope is equal to y2 minus y1 is equal to tan theta. Okay, Similarly, one more idea is there to find slope of a tangent. Let's see using derivative. Okay, and I'm going to just prove this one, how it is tan theta actually. So tan theta means what? Now let's say take and I'm taking a curve here. So you are saying that it is a tangent here. Okay, so tangent is nothing but a line touching to a point to the curve, let's say at point P. Then it is making some angle theta with let's say theta 1 with positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. Then tan theta 1 is called slope. It's called what? Slope of the line, represented by m also. M is equal to tan theta is equal to, if A, B are 2 point and coordinate is given in this way, then y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is tan theta. This is clear, I hope so. Now let's see in derivative form what is this. I am saying if a curve y is equal to fx is given. Okay, if a curve y is equal to fx is given, then slope of tangent at point x1 comma y1 is equal to dy by dx. Means what it happened? It is f dash x. Dy by dx will be what? F dash x at point x1 comma y1. Means whatever after differentiation you are having at the place of x, you have to put x1, at the place of y you have to put y1. Correct or not? So meaning is, this is called slope equals to dy by dx at point x1 comma y1. Okay, or f dash x at point x1 comma y1. Okay, this is clear to you all that if fx is a function given, then slope of the tangent is also dy by dx. Now how it is, your question may be how it is. So just I am giving you a small proof for this one. Okay, so let's see. Here I am saying I want to find equation of tangent at a point P. Let's say P, you are saying P is point having x coordinate A. Okay, because in the front of A comma 0 P point, and y coordinate I am assuming it is, let's say, B. No problem, A comma B I am assuming. A comma B means you are putting here at the place of x A, then you are getting B, y you are getting B. Let's say this one. Okay, I want to find equation of tangent at point P. So you tell me first, I want to write slope of this line. Slope of PQ will be what? Slope of PQ. You will say, sir, this coordinate, let's say this is, I am saying A plus H comma let's say this is B, this is B dash. Okay, no problem. Or in this way try to write, this is better. Okay, means y is equal to f of x, then put here f of A plus H. Correct or not? If x is A plus H, then y will be what? F of A plus H. Similarly here, similarly B also I am writing what? F of A. So at the point A comma f of A, means if x is x1, then y will be y1 is equal to f of x1. Okay now? So I am saying slope of PQ will be what? You will say that y2 minus y1 means f of A plus H minus f of A upon x2 minus x1, means A plus H minus x1 is A here. So this one you are getting f of A plus H minus f of A upon H. I hope so it is clear to you all. Slope of PQ line. Okay now? Now I am saying PQ line will be tangent. PQ line will be tangent if Q starts shifting slowly towards P. If Q start shifting slowly towards P, and it is very near to P, and if it is Q is going to reach at P, then this line will become in this way. Just see once. In this way it will looking like, correct or not? If this Q coming down and at P it is going to meet, okay, then what will be, then Q will come to at a point P, then you tell me what is going to happen. This distance is what, from A plus H2 up to A, distance is H, means you are decreasing at H, correct or not? You want to make H 0, correct? So may I say that that for tangent at P, okay, H tending towards 0, that is Q tending towards P, correct? No? Very close to P, means you can say at P, okay now. So from here this implies slope of tangent at P is any general point, okay, A comma f of A, you can say x1 comma y1 type, at P is equal to what, you will say that limit H tending towards 0, correct or not? H you want to make 0, f of A plus H minus f of A upon H, and this is nothing but you did, this is f dash A in the differentiability, and this is nothing but f dash x at the point A comma f of A, correct or not? Now let's try to see this one properly, okay. See the proof again. What I want to say, that at any point slope of a tangent is nothing but dy by dx at a point x1 comma y1. You can take this one as x1 comma y1, no problem, correct or not? So f dash x is nothing but slope, okay. This one clear to you all, I hope so. So this is equation of it is slope of tangent we got, means any curve will be given to you. If any curve will be given to you, then you have to find f dash x at a given point, and over that one slope will be known, and that slope will be of what, slope will be of tangent. Now one more thing, you know, I hope so, and if you are not aware of this one, then I am telling you, equation of a line passing through x1 comma y1 having slope m is given by y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, okay. So this is the equation of a line passing through a point x1 comma y1 having slope m, okay. This is clear to you all. Similarly, if I am asking you that find the equation of this line, then you will say, okay, it is passing through point A comma FA, or generally if I am saying that, let's say this one is x-axis, y-axis, see, this one I want to take this x-axis, y-axis, okay. No problem, okay. I am taking x-axis, y-axis, and here one curve I am taking, okay, a general curve I am taking. Over this one line I am taking at point p x1 comma y1, such that this line is just touching to this point, okay. just touching, second, okay, so just touching to point P, then and curve is given to you, y is equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, like y is equal to x square plus 2, y is equal to 3x plus 4 x square, correct or not? So this type curve will be given to you. So this one you have to find equation of this tangent. Then first I am telling you two things are required, point is required and slope is required, and in the curve case slope is nothing but dy by dx. This is nothing but what? Dy by dx at a point a comma f of a, means dy by dx is required and point is required. So first what you have to find? First you have to find dy by dx, that is what? F dash x at a point x1 comma y1, that one also represented by dy by dx at a point x1 comma y1 is equal to f dash x at point x1 comma y1, correct or not? Okay, and then equation of tangent will be what? Equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to slope m, you are saying m is the slope, here slope is what? M is this one. So y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx, means that is slope x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. Okay, y minus y1 is equal to m slope into x minus x1 is the equation of tangent at a point x1 comma y1. It is clear to you all? Okay, I hope so it is clear. Now next one, you want to find equation of normal also. Okay, then equation of normal will be what? Equation of normal will be a line, I told you, which is perpendicular to the tangent at a given point of the curve, correct or not? Okay, so okay, this one is the normal line, this one is normal line because it is perpendicular here, this one is tangent line. So what will be equation of normal? If two lines are perpendicular, then their slope multiplication equals to product of slope of the two line. If two line are perpendicular to each other, let's say it is m1, let's say it is m2, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So you tell me m1 is equal to becomes minus 1 upon m2. Okay, this is m2 I am assuming. So m1 is nothing but minus 1 upon m2, and it is nothing but minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1 comma y1. This is called what? Slope of normal. Means whenever you have to find slope of normal, direct you have to find dy by dx, after that minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1 comma y1. Okay, this is also a line, so equation of line is nothing but point known, slope known. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Here slope is this one, so equation of normal will be what? Y at point x1 comma y1, y minus y1 equals to slope is what? Minus 1 upon dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. Okay, this is the equation of what we have? This is equation of normal. Okay, I hope so this one also clear. Now sometimes equation will be given to you, curve equation will be given to you parametric equation. parametric equation of the curve. Means parametric equation, x will be given as function of some t and y will be given as function of t. Okay na, in form of t. Let's say this is gt, this is ft, no problem. Okay, like, and then what you have to do, you have to find dy by dx. How? Dy by dx will be what? Dy by dt upon dx by dt, in this way. Okay, then at the given point you have to find slope, means this is slope. After that, equation of tangent or normal, y minus y1 is equal to slope. Okay, slope at the given point m into x minus x1. If tangent is there, then slope will be what? Slope will be dy by dx at point x1 comma y1. If normal is there, then slope will be what? Slope will be minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1 comma y1. Okay, so this is the total concept of tangent and normal. Now we'll come to the question. Okay, so first question I am taking here, very easy question. First question I will take. Okay, question is, find equation of tangent and normal, tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to e power x at x is equal to 0. Now you will say that only sir point is given x is equal to 0, y coordinate not given. Then I will say, if x coordinate given of a point, then by putting in the curve you can find y. Correct or not? So first find a point. Okay, point on the curve, okay, when x is equal to 0, then y will be what? E power 0, that is 1. So point is what? So point become x coordinate what? 0, y coordinate 1. Okay, point becomes 0 comma 1. Now what? Equation of tangent, you are saying what? Y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at a point x1 comma y1 into x minus x1. Correct? So put here point, means dy by dx at point x1 comma y1 means 0 at 0 comma 1 is required. So find it's a dy by dx here. So dy by dx is equal to here e power x. This implies dy by dx at a point 0 comma 1 is equal to e power, if y is there then put y is also there, then put value of y 1 and value of x 0. Okay, so e power 0 is 1, you know. So put the value now. Y minus y1 is 1 is equal to slope at dy by dx at point 0 comma 1 is 1, x minus 0. Okay, so it becomes y minus 1 is equal to x. From here, y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, or you can multiply by minus, so it will be x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, or only if you want to write y is equal to, from here direct, x plus 1. Correct? I want to tell you one more thing. Any line you can write in form of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, this is called slope intercept form of a line. Slope intercept form of a line, where m equals to slope of the line and c equals to intercept made by line made by line of x of y axis. Okay, meaning is this one, if want to see graphically, then this is x axis and this is y axis at 90 degree, both are one line is there which is this one, let's say. So this will make some angle with x axis, let's say this is anticlockwise angle theta, means tan theta is slope, that is m. So it is intersecting from origin to this point, okay, from origin to this point, that is this is making some intercept of y axis. Okay, this is called c actually. Okay, this is called c. Okay, I hope so it is clear to you. So y is equal to mx plus c format. If you are writing any line, then m is called slope of the line. Okay, another thing I told you, that if a line is there, another line, okay, let's say I'm taking very general type line. If line is there and another line which is perpendicular to this line, let's say it is perpendicular, so and its slope is, let's say, m1, its slope is, let's say, m2, then m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, means let's say its slope is 3, then its slope will be minus 1 upon 3. Okay, okay now. So I hope so this is clear. Now let's take few good questions. Okay, one question I'm writing here. Okay, question is, one second, let me write it. So okay,